Welcome, replayers. We're watching the Euro crash. What's up? What's up? What's up, guys? Good morning. Good morning. It is 10:13 a.m. on the EDT. What's up, guys? So now we're seeing, we just saw how 1400 pip killers. We gotta start this thing that World Star Hip Hop has going. Like people yelling World Star in the background. People just gotta yell hashtag pip killers, hashtag pip killers. I gotta get some push button things like Michael Savage has for the radio show. But as you guys are seeing right now, so 1400 level held up. We've got some nice weakness in the market. Good morrow. How are you? How are you? Little prodigy. And we have something significant, guys. On the 2-hour chart, Prime is also short. So, we are short. Prime fired off short. We are short. And, we're just gonna we're gonna see how this one works out, guys. We've got our upside risk determined. That was good. That was one of the best comments ever. Thank you for that comment. Thank you for that comment. So, guys, as I was saying, down here in Alabama, when we trade pips, when we kill pips, we do it with a shotgun. Okay? I'm just saying we had upside risk defined. We were coming along the pip, and I'm telling you, that 1400 was acting mighty shady. It was just being very difficult, and so that's why we decided to go short at 1400 level. And when I told the cows stay in one spot, guess what? They did. So guys, 1400 was the level that we were seeing all of that battle occur. And now we've got some nice weakness in the euro. We are going to have a little bit of flooring here at this fib level, the 1386, and it's going to pop through. But guess what? We've got the 1377 also acting as support and the 1374. But you can bet if we get weakness through these levels, we're going to get a nice candle movement downward. Right on the fib level, man. And so when it comes to these fibs acting as a nice point for price movement to take a rest, we know that it's pretty much self-fulfilling. All right? So just saying, I'm not the only trader out there using the fib levels. Just saying. All right? I wanted to update you guys because I was literally on here. We were staring at the screen and the price movement was at 1400, just chilling and not doing anything. And, I didn't want to put you guys to sleep waiting for the pop downward. We may get some ping pong action between these two levels. All right. I do see on a few other charts that I'm looking at that we have support here, but it's likely to not last. So most of the traders that went short at 1400 were likely to take profits at 1386 for that scalp on a very big lot size. And that's how they played that. And that's how a lot of the banks play these type levels in between the fibs. However, the interesting thing is going to be when we get here, this 1377 level has quite significance going back 2 weeks. All right, so there's a lot of price movement around 1377. If we break through these levels here, I'd expect a nice candle movement to at least 1334. And then from there onward, we have to understand that 1334 is the zero. That's the low. For Friday, if we take out that low, it's very likely we are going to take out that low. We're going to see some nice short movement in the euro. Like I predicted last night, on last night's scope, the euro net is going to be down this week. All right? So that's what we're looking for, guys. I need to get you guys these alerts, because as they happen, you know, we're basically missing out on a lot of pips. We could be doing even more damage than we're already doing. We could just be really getting after everything in terms of taking the scalps. Alright? So I'm going to hop back online. If there's anything different, of course, we would have defined risk to the upside here. We would make sure Euro-USD pair on a 2-hour chart we're looking at right now. And we are looking at the FX Prime algorithm taking pips from the chart at will. Alright, taking pips from the chart at will. So, you guys that are following along in the trades, I've been calling every trade. And from this point forward, what we're going to attempt to do is I'm just going to set a lofty goal, man. My goal is 100 pips a day. And if any other traders out there can meet that, I'd like to meet you guys. But as long as we're hitting 100 pips a day, I'm happy. We're gonna keep doing this. All right. So you can see we've got our 40 pips right here from early this morning. We took another 40 or so pips upward, but we're just gonna keep going. 100 pips a day is a reality. And that's what that's probably another hashtag I'm gonna put. 100 pips a day. 100 pips a day. That's what we're after. So, if anyone else steps up to that challenge, if any other trader out there in Forex can take 100 pips a day out of the market, I want to meet you. That's my challenge, though. That's the outgoing challenge. Let's see if anyone steps up. Wow, look at this. We're tracing back to the 1400. Pretty amazing. You see that? How these guys took their profits at 1386? Very, very hesitant to keep the short on. These guys in the market, man. You see that? Hesitant to keep the short on. I'm going to update you guys later. This is likely to carry through south. We're likely to continue the weakness downward. And we have a very defined risk to the upward. So look for some price movement downward, guys. Look for some price movement downward. I'll hop on in a little bit.